Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we have a quick 10 minutes workout that has no jumping involved. It is great for a quick, easy morning routine, and also it is perfect if you're not looking for something too extreme. It is a great one to do before your ab workout just to help you to get your heart rate up. I haven't worked out in a month and this was such a fun one to film. I had such a great workout, so I felt so good after. So yeah, don't forget to smash that like button, smash it, subscribe, and let's jump straight into it. We've got 12 exercises today, 40 seconds on and 5 seconds off. Pretty straightforward, guys. Let's start with inchworm and shoulder tap. Make sure you tighten that core as you walk your way down to a high plank and tap your shoulders with your opposite hands. This is a really good first exercise to warm up your body, and you don't have to tap your shoulders when you're up. That's just me and my wonderful coordination.
Don't you know I walk through fire with you? I walk through fire. No matter what, I'll make it right. Don't you know I walk through fire with you? I walk through fire. I'm not an angel, I'm not a saint. I've been a closed book full of mistakes.
Next we have lunge taps. Go as fast as you can, watch your form and engage that core. Next we have no jump skater. Feel free to add a little hop if you want it more intense, but I'm totally fine to keep it slow and steady today. Leg extension and knee up are next. It's pretty similar to a single leg RDL. Make sure you go slow when you're doing your first one, so get your movement down and not lose your balance. Push your hips back and have a slight bend on your knee as you are lowering down. Make sure your core is engaged and your back is straight. Don't arch your back or round your back. Now onto the other side. Next, we have knee walk squat. Get on your knees and then onto a squat position. You can fold your fitness mat for more cushion for your knees. Don't injure your knee, guys. Also, I like to alternate my legs when I'm getting up. Up and down planks are next. If this is too intense for you, feel free to do it with your knees on the ground instead. Do a push-up followed by 2 knee tucks while squeezing the abs. Again, if you can't do a push-up, all good to have your knees on the ground. I had to have my knees on the ground too since I haven't worked out in a while and I'm still feeling a little weak from my herbal medication, so I gotta take it slow. Flip around onto your back as bicycle crunches are next. Just 6 more exercises to go, guys. Make sure you squeeze that abs. Reverse plank leg lifts are next. You're going to feel this on your arms, your back, your abs, and your legs. Make sure you use your core to pull up your body. Make sure your butt does not droop down too much. Keep pulling up with your abs and feel that burn, guys. Keep pushing. You can do it.
When there's no hope loving for you who saw me before I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust and reason.
Now lay on your back as we've got reverse crunch variation next. Lay your hands next to your hips for support and use your core muscles to lift your hips off the ground. This is absolutely great for your lower abs.
Again, you make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
Crab toe touches are next. Just do them nice and slow if you're starting to feel tired. We are almost there, guys. Next we have glute bridges. Thrust those hips into the air, just keep thrusting. Now, final exercise is plie. Have your feet really wide apart and pointing outwards like so, and lower down your hips. This works the inner thighs, and yeah, let's wrap this up, guys. Let's do this.
I'll make it right. Don't you know I rock the fire with you. I rock the fire. I'm not an angel, I'm not a saint. I've been a closed book full of mistakes. But when you're broken, when you're in pain, I rock the fire with you. I rock the fire with you. I rock the fire.
And that's the workout. Great job, everyone. Do smash the like button and leave a comment down below so this video can reach more people who need it. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye.